Okay, there is something I want us to discuss today, and that is a YouTube Mastery Program by David Omari. I've seen a few people asking me about these and saying, Maverick, what do you think about this YouTube automation program whereby this guy promises to create a channel that rakes in money daily? As you can see right there, here is the page, and it says, learn how to start and manage a successful YouTube channel in less than 30 days. Now, as you can see right there, here are some stuffs right there. You can see enroll today. Welcome to the YouTube Master Program, and a whole lot of that, whereby you don't have to show your face, and you do not need any expensive equipment or editing software. Right here is David there, and as you can see with his YouTube plague, whereby he got an award. And just like David says, he said 5 years ago he took a leap of faith and began a career in YouTube and blah blah blah. I don't want to go ahead and talk about all that. And here's what it says gain sub first, get monetized, million views secrets, growing high CPM, going viral, SEO tricks and all that. Well, this is a cool one right there, and also some of the things that you got to get from the program. So you can see he also got some testimonials from students right there, which we've got there. Okay, so all right, so let's discuss about these and let's see if my research and what I've been able to get about this guy. Okay, so you can see, does this sound like you? Blah 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 blah, like that. All right, so the first thing you have to know is that this course cost almost $1,500. Okay, from the page, whereby I checked out the checkout and I saw that it's $1,500 for you to enroll in this program. However, the group that I belong to, where I sometimes make research, someone also said the paid $2,500. So sometimes it depends, all right, but normally I was able to see that we only pay $1,500 if we want to enroll. All right, now it depends on you. I don't know how much you're being charged, but that is how much I see. Okay, so and in case you wonder about how much it will cost, just know that you need to plan at least $1,500 for you to be able to enroll in this. Okay, so now let's talk about my honest opinion about this program, and also about David and some other stuff. Right now, the first thing is that going straight online, checking out about David, then I've got some negative reviews about this guy, some tagging him as scammer and all that. But the fact is that people are just used to call him people scam. All right, so it's normal. But one thing you just need to know is that YouTube automation it's a good way for you to make money. All right, but this course is very costly. Okay, yeah, that's a fact, because for you to pay $1,500, you still need to know that you have to put in the work. Okay, you need to put in the work. YouTube automation is not just something where you can just say you wanna set up, and you feel like you can set it up and just forget about it. No. Okay, so although if you have the video done, you can have a video that can bring you a whole lot of views in years to come. All right, months to come, years to come, and all that. But the fact is that you still need to put in the work. Okay, and someone who is not techie will find it a little bit difficult for you to get into YouTube automation. Okay, and before I even digress any further, this is just me recommending a tool for you. I'm a YouTuber, and I also have several channels out there that I run, and the fact is that if I'm to do it all by myself, or possibly even hire people, it's gonna, number one, if I'm to do it by myself, it will be difficult for me because it's not easy creating video. And if I'm to go ahead out there to say I want to hire people to help me do my videos, create the video and all that, it's gonna cost me a whole lot of money, even more than the amount that I might be earning from YouTube. Okay, so that is why several of my YouTube channels out there that are performing very well, I use a tool called Jet. Okay, it's an AI, artificial intelligence, that I use, and it's called Jet. Okay, I'm gonna link to it in the video description, also possibly in the screen. I'm gonna be linking to it. So Jet is an AI tool that can help you create outstanding YouTube videos. Okay, these videos are what you can upload on your YouTube Shorts and also your long form video. Okay, so in case you want to try it out, you can go ahead. Don't worry, it's not all this high ticket of a thing. Just to the price of a burger and a one-time fee, you can go ahead and get Jet for yourself. Right now, to continue what I'm saying, now YouTube automation, it's not just something that you can set and forget. Okay, YouTube automation, in case you want to try it out with the way David promised to teach you, your mindset, choosing a niche, setting up your channel, thumbnail creation, video creation and all that, like, it's gonna be teaching you, but you still need to know that you have to put in the work. Okay, so that is just what I want you to know. All right, So, and you need extra budget in case you want to use David's method. You're gonna be needing extra budget, like people who run YouTube automation, whereby maybe possibly this is faceless channel where you don't have to show your face truly, or maybe you don't even have to use your voice. In case you want to go ahead and hire freelancers, so what that's one thing you need to know, that if in case you even pay $1,500 or $2,500 to this guy to do whatever it is for you, you need to know that you need to hire freelancers, okay, to help you out to do the voiceover, create a video for you. So this guy spend money, okay, so that is just how it works. And also your thumbnail, you need to get someone to do it for you, so it's cost money, okay. So if you are the kind of person that you do not have the time, then you will spend money, okay. That is why I recommended Jet to you earlier. With Jet, life become easy for you. So the thing is that it's not like maybe he's gonna give you a niche to go into. Just like you can see right here, you can see that it's saying how to choose a great niche, okay, the best ICPM niches and doing market research. Now one thing you need to know is that when it comes to choosing a great niche, you really cannot get your niche easily, okay. So whatever this guy is going to be promising you, remember that he has thousands or hundreds of students who have enrolled for this program. So you also learning what hundreds of students have known, but you need to put in the work, okay. You need to have uploaded several videos for you to be able to get the best niche, okay. So even the best niche that works in YouTube, there are sub niches, okay. So it's not just a niche, it's a sub niche. So even if it tells you that okay, go for the finance niche, it doesn't mean that it's when you talk about finance that you'll be able to boom, okay. You need to find some niches under finance, maybe credit card or mortgage or whatever it is. You need to find a niche, a sub niche under the niche for you to be able to get the results, okay. So that is one thing you need to know, this type of business and also the type of course, okay. So it doesn't necessarily mean that if you go straight and buy this, it's gonna give you a niche. It's just gonna teach you, okay, these are the possible niches that can work, but you need to find a sub niche by yourself, okay. So I just hope I'm able to make that easy for you to understand, all right. And also it requires time, just like I said. If you are a non-techie person and you enroll for this program by David, you are also gonna possibly call him a scammer because it requires time, okay. You need to put in the work. That is why someone who has a 9 to 5 job might not find this very much encouraging, okay. So but if you have the time, you are techie, then possibly you will learn one or two things from this guy, okay. And that is why earlier on I recommended Jet, just like I said, for those who do not have the time, and even if you have the time, Jet is a good tool for you. It saves you a lot of money for hiring freelancers, and it also saves you time to create YouTube videos, okay. Also, I've seen many people saying go online and learn about YouTube automation, but the fact is that getting the right information online can be difficult, okay, because most tutorials are not even straightforward, okay. So when I check more about this guy's program and the reviews, I see a lot of people saying, oh no, go online, you're gonna get videos that's gonna teach you how to do all this for free and hold up. But the fact is that for you to get the best video, it's kind of difficult. That is the problem. Now whatever you need to scale online, they are on YouTube, okay. There are millions, even billions of videos on YouTube that they are being uploaded, and there are a lot of videos also that are good, but it's just that majority are not good videos, okay. Majority are not videos that is gonna really put you through the right path. And for you to get a video that will put you through the right path, it's always sometimes you even get it by luck, okay, or maybe you get your fingers dirty and you spend a whole lot of time researching and researching. And this is not even about watching several videos, this is about you getting the right video. So it's not just as simple as those people claim, okay. So if you want to enroll for David's course, is not bad, okay, but you just need to know that you have to be techie for you to enroll for this. If you are not techie, then just go for Jet, okay. And also I really cannot guarantee your money back, okay. So in case you go ahead, pay $1,500 for this, there is no, you can see that there is nothing like money back guarantee here, okay. So you can see I really cannot guarantee you getting back your money. So that is what you need to know. So if you're going on this, just know that you are taking a huge risk right there. If you have the money to enroll for this, you can go ahead, give it a try, okay. And the means of payment is not really PayPal, because from when I checked on the checkout, the means of payment is not PayPal. So in case you want to get your charge back, then I'm not certain you'll be able to do that because it's not PayPal. So that is another thing you need to know. However, if you want to go for this, then you can give it a try, but I would suggest that you do your due diligence very well before you go ahead with this. But this is just my own honest review. I'm telling you about how YouTube automation works as someone who has at least over 3 to 4 YouTube channels out there that I run by myself. And just like I said, the way I've been able to run this channel is by using an AI automation tool to make life easy for myself and earn a whole lot of money without me spending a huge amount of my revenue, my profits to freelancers, or hiring expensive guys to help me do voiceover. But with Jet makes life easy for me, and with the price of a burger, I'm able to get Jet, and it's a one-time fee. So you can go ahead, give Jet a try today. This is something that it will benefit you very well, and it can help you create all your YouTube videos, and you can upload it on short, create long form videos, and you can start monetizing and also use it to also sell products online. And the fun thing about this is that videos created with Jet can be uploaded on several other social medias like TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. You can upload it there and use it to make more money. So give Jet a try today, and you will never regret it. Okay. And also, if you've tried out, if you know any other AI that works also for YouTube, you can give it a try. I mean, with AI, with all the softwares, life become easier. You don't have to invest in expensive courses out there, because with them it's easy for you to create a faceless channel without having to show your face or even doing voiceover. I hope this video has been helpful, and if it is, kindly make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And if you want to try out Jet, click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're gonna see the link there. You can go ahead and give Jet a try. Okay, so thank you very much. I really wish you the best of luck in your YouTube journey. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.